Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy AlterTech back again with a new freaking video, and today we have the JBL SoundBoost 2 Moto Mod, and this is actually the final mod to complete my Moto Mod collection. So I am recording with the OnePlus 6T in 4K at 60 frames per second. Let me know how it sounds and actually how it actually looks. So this is the Moto Z2 Force, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick sound test. I have to say, you know what, I wouldn't do this video if the speaker wasn't that good. This is actually something that I thought was just a gimmick. I don't think it was that useful, but actually from using it right now, this is freaking amazing. Like, just, you know, looking at the size of it, number one, I mean, you're getting a power pack inside here which could give you 10 hours of battery. It's actually splash proof as well. It's high quality JBL audio, and it's not just a marketing thing. This is definitely freaking high quality. If you have Spotify Premium and you're allowed to use high, streaming music, this will definitely bring out that music. I could hear some things, like I was playing Drake nonstop. That's the name of the song, and there's some things in that song that I just, this just brought it out. From just using normal headphones, I never would have heard it. So I actually made a review using this with that song, and YouTube took it down. So I'm just gonna use some free copyright songs on YouTube. So let's go ahead and check out the speakers on this device. This is just the phone. This is without the Moto Mod. Now all the sounds coming out from this earpiece over here. There are no speakers in the bottom. Everything, all the sound comes out from over here. So I'm gonna try and make this video under 5 minutes because that's all I have. So here's my thoughts. Number one, there's pretty much minimal bass on this. The treble, the high pitchedness, it can get a little iffy. So let's go ahead and check it out with this Moto Mod. So basically it connects, instantly connects, and now we're ready to go. Hit play. Turn the volume up. Hey, come on, man. Is it connected? Let me try this video again. Wow, it's really gonna do this to me right now? I can't believe it. Wow. Sucks. Let's go. Wow. Okay, as you guys can see, there's definitely a ton of bass in this, and this could definitely fill up an entire room, and if you sit too close to it, it could definitely bust your eardrums. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is freaking insane. Like, just to have this power, these two speakers, and at this size, it's insane. So usually, it connects pretty much automatic. I'm not exactly sure why that was giving trouble. This is actually like the 10th time I'm actually making this video, so of course it would actually have some issues during my final take. So overall, you do have an Equalizer app. You can find it in the Google Play Store. It's called My JBL Sound, and it has a ton of poor reviews, and let me just get over that right now. Number one, let me just play the music while I'm actually going through with it. So you do have two settings right now. You have the Equalizer and the D-Rack panorama sound. Let's start with the Equalizer. You have the jazz option, pop, metal, normal, rock, and classical. Now I'll be honest, the difference when using the Equalizer, differences between all of them, it's very minimal. But what you gotta do is turn the D-Rack panorama sound on, because this just brings life into the music. Like, it's insane. Like I said, I was playing Drake. The song is called Nonstop with this on Spotify at high quality streaming. And I've just heard things like you wouldn't hear with normal headphones. It's just super impressive. It's insane. Like, you could definitely bring this to a party and just bring some life into it and just have some fun. Like, maybe you're in your car, you don't want to have the car engine running, you don't want to drain the battery. Take this in your car, put it up in the dashboard, and let it play. So we have 10 seconds left for this video. That's my review. Hope you guys have a great and awesome day. I give this a 10 out of 10 simply because of the size and performance. It's AlterTech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and awesome day. Please subscribe. Peace.